Bonjour tout le monde, Aslema and hello for today's French video. In today's video you'll learn real French for daily life, not textbook French. We'll start with simple spring expressions, then move to what people actually say when life gets stressful. Let's start with something very common for the spring expressions. Il fait beau. French use this all the time. Next we got le soleil brille. You use this when you want to describe a bright, positive day. Now something you will hear when natural changes. Le fleur pousse. This helps you describe what you see around you. Here is a very French expression. Je prends l'air. It literally means I take air, but the deeper meaning is I'm getting fresh air. I'm going outside to relax. And finally, le printemps arrive. Spring is coming. So people use this when the weather starts getting better. Now listen to how natural this sounds. Aujourd'hui il fait beau, le soleil brille et les fleurs poussent. Je prends l'air, le printemps arrive. Now that's the calm side of life. Let's be real. This is what you will use even more. And it is part 2. When you get frustrated or when you are tired, you will say je suis fatigué. Also we've got j'ai mal à la tête, very useful when you are not feeling well or want to explain something quickly. Now key survival phrase, je n'ai pas le temps. You'll use this constantly in real life conversations. Another very common one, c'est trop cher, please. Perfect for shopping, restaurants and everyday decisions. And finally, je suis en retard, I'm late. You can use this when messaging someone or arriving somewhere. Now listen to this natural situation. Je suis fatigué, j'ai mal à la tête et je suis en retard. Je n'ai pas le temps. So guys, today you learned how to sound more natural in French in both relaxed and stressful situations. Try using at least one of these expressions today and tell me in the comments which one will you use first. Merci beaucoup and don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment. Merci beaucoup et bientôt.